YouTubers? This is Saul Castañeda from Green Wheels Automotive. Here doing a little remote rebuilding of a 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans-Am Edition with the big 6.6. We're gonna go ahead and tear off the intake, take off the heads, go get them done again, cleaned up, new seals, and then take off those old manifolds, you know, the clunky, heavy ones, and put on some new headers, make it sound nice, a little sleeker. Stay tuned. Let's give it some juice and see what shakes loose. Have dust coming off of everything here. Hay que como darle bien orden aquí. No, nomás estoy desconectando para que no tenga corriente el carro. Lo vamos a mejorar.
¿Si sale también?
Sí. ¿No? Es cabecita que se mueve. Tape these up because I know these are powers, so we're just going to tape them up just in case somebody connects the battery to bring up a window or something. We don't want these to be just kind of like flailing around and touch the ground and burn something up. We're just going to keep them together at the same time. It's going to let us know that all these go on the alternator. See, the water pump's leaking. See what's happening? It's all in there.
Yeah.
That's the problem. So instead of just throwing on the bearings dead, you know, look at all that rust, man.
Yeah.
So the problem? That's the main problem with it. I may leave this one here. Because we took off cross member, we brought in that nice little lightweight K member, you know. Disgusting PCV valve. Disgusting. The PCV valve completely fell apart in here. So, you know, we got a lot of work to do. Alright, let's get this AC compressor off of here. Ahí vamos ya. I sometimes think about these things, man, like I'm an old man trying to make this fun for us.
Yeah.
You know, we would be out there for hours and hours. I never found it fun because he was doing all the work. It's funny because it wasn't until later when we were all working together that it became a lot more fun, you know what I mean? But before that, it was all him and he did all the work, so we just kind of sat down there and watched. And, you know, as a kid, you're impatient, man, you know. You don't want to sit there and watch. You want to sit there and you want to get in there. Try to play nice with them, man. You know, we took them off, we loosened them. Now look at this. Look at how the hose going. Yeah. This is to the heater core. Hose. And you can smell the gas. Nasty. ¿Se lo meto, ¿verdad? Ya, con cuidado que no se le caigan los tornillos, porque los tengo alineados. Por ahí atrás. O de las garritas para que no le quede caiga. Cuidado que no le caigan en el box. There's the camshaft rods, push rods, rocker arms, or valves. And if you get over here, look, una aspiradora, sacar todo esto desmadre. Pero estas antigüedades, años de estar acá adentro.